Kia Too Technical. I'm back again with another video, and I have a case from ZEERA. They were kind enough to send me out their new MagSafe Kickstand case for this is for your iPhone 12, 13, 14 series. So this is the ZEERA MagSafe Kickstand case with ring holder for your iPhone 12, 13, and 14 series. As you can see, it comes in clear and in black. They sent me over the clear variant, and I'm glad of that. But this is the website and what everything looks like. In the description, I will have a link to this website to where you can come pick you up one of these cases and try it out for yourself. So now that is what we're going to do. We're just going to unbox this case and get it moving. Ooh, it's clear, but it's frost. Okay, ZEERA. I see you, ZEERA. Because on the website, this really looks clear, but it's actually frost clear, and it has a silver metal kickstand MagSafe ring to it. And I really like that, and it comes out just like that. That is nice. And then you get your housing for your camera that says 100% focus pixels around the camera. Man, this is nice. That silver with that clear. And I have a silver iPhone 13 Pro Max, so this should be a good little setup here. Let's see what that look like. Oh man, that frost looks amazing. You don't really have to worry about this yellowing probably since it's frost. Man, look at how nice that looks, and it feels nice in my hand. It looks nice. I really do like the way this looks and feels. So now on this side you get your power button. It is nice and clicky, as you can see. No problem. The bottom here you get all your cutouts for charging, mics, so on and so on. This side you get your volume up and down button, nice and clicky. You get access to your alert slider. At the top here you get nothing. At the back here you get that nice lip for drop protection, so your camera doesn't get messed up. So you do not have to worry about that because that sits in that groove really nice. Like I said, this is the MagSafe case, but it also has that kickstand, so you can use it in this angle or use it in this angle if that's something that you want to do. Man, that is really nice, and I'm sure this has wireless charging. And what other way to pair this up with a ZEERA wireless charging pad? So we're gonna hit it. Since it's MagSafe, you can charge it with your MagSafe charger. If you do not have a MagSafe charger, you can also just wireless charging side, but this is meant to be used with the MagSafe charger. So just like that, it's charging, and this is a nice looking feeling case. I like that frost texture on the back. It looks and feels awesome. So if you found this video helpful, give me a thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next video. I'm out.